Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So the overall bullish count is still alive, still active. We haven't broken any relevant supports. I've made a small change to the count though, up here, which is in line with gold. I believe we talked about it in the previous silver video as well. I think in the last video I still showed you here the potential for a fourth wave with possibly a pullback potential down to something like 2250. Obviously, we haven't even broken that support level, but I still made a tiny change to the chart because with the strength of the decline here, this looks more like a wave 2. Doesn't change the overall assumption. It just might provide another opportunity because this, in my opinion, is interesting now. Yeah, we have an impulse to the upside of the March lows. We had a pretty clear 3-wave move down here. We had a pretty high B wave, so basically something like that. A wave down, B wave up, and now a C wave down, which at the moment counts best as a 3-wave move down, which indicates that we could just see one more low, maybe next week, and it could turn around and rally in a 3rd wave. Now this is going to be interesting. I have highlighted here the standard support zone for the wave 2. Let's just double check that. So first of all, if this is an A wave, this is a B wave, and this is a C wave, what would be a target if I take the Fibonacci extensions? So we're looking here typically at the 1.618 extension, which means that the 2352 level might be the first line of relevant support. It's actually above the standard support zone, but it still would be a likely target. Now, if we break below that, then it could normally come down to the 2.618 extension, but that is normally, theoretically at least, the maximum in this wave count. If we break below that level, and that's at 2192, it would already increase probabilities that something bearish is going on. But for now, this is looking good. If I zoom in to the lower time frame and go to the 1-hour chart, yeah, we can actually count a nice 3-wave decline. Typically in a C wave, we want to see 5 waves. And that would be here a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. This could now be a wave 4 in the making on the weekend, often happens, yeah. And a wave 5 to the downside, then maybe early next week. So let's change the wave degree. Yeah, makes sense because also the 3rd wave is typically the longest one. We can count a 5 waves substructure in this 3rd wave. So it fulfills all requirements. I mean, what you can never rule out is that this is a WXY structure and the low is already in, but I don't necessarily believe that at this stage. Yeah. This, I think, is something that could turn around next week. This would be, as long as $21.16 is holding, this would be my primary expectation. I think at the moment we're working on that 4th wave in the C wave and may then just see one more low in the 5th wave of the C wave. And again, targets here 2351 and 2192. However, it can basically use the entire yellow area to turn around. So we've got 2296 down to 2116. It would though be quite unlikely that it is a wave 2 and breaks below 2193, because typically a flat pattern as this one is, yeah, A wave overshooting B wave and long C wave would normally not extend, or the C wave would normally not extend beyond the 2.618 extension, which is at 2193. Yeah, but it's a possible opportunity. I mean, you can never rule out as something more bearish, but as long as bullish support is holding, there's basically no need to focus on that. And taking the context into account, we already had our 1-2 setup here. That was back in October. Another 1-2 setup here with a nice turning point, a very profitable turning point here that was communicated around the 10th of March. And now we get into the next, let's say, opportunities, yeah, section, support area. Okay, that's my update about silver. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.